Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look at the euro currency again. So you can see our suggestion on minor retracement has happened, but this is really just tactical pullback and it's based on the daily rebut. So the drop was not really very significant. Mostly it was in row with our expectations, but it seems that the major retracement of this leg probably still stands ahead. So because market gradually is coming to wide confluence resistance. So currently, as you can see, market has broken through monthly pivot resistance 1. So this is also the sign based on the pivot framework. So we know that if market breaks the pivot resistance 1, it means that this is not just a retracement within the long-term bear trend. This is something different, and it could be treated probably as a starting point of some bull trend of different scale. Maybe not stand in relation to weekly, but on the daily it means that the chance on a continuation exists, at least based on the pivots. Now what we have today, 1283, the first lower border of the wide confluence resistance, and 1283, 1317. Daily overbought today stands 1287, so market has here some room, about the 20 pips to the upside that it could reach. And based on the intraday charts, we also suggest that some upward action probably should happen here. So take a look what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame, we have discussed yesterday the XOP stands 1289. It has not been reached. This was a retracement yesterday that we also have talked about. Within this retracement, market has shown the close below the 3x3. So here we have first close below the 3x3, close above. If market will hit the XOP, well, it will be a bit to extent different between the tops for a double repo. For a double repo, it would be better when the tops almost are equal. Here it will be a bit significant difference, but we need to see the reaction. And what will happen as soon as XOP will be hit. So if market will form here a double repo, we probably could treat it as double repo lookalike, and also it will be interesting what classical patterns will be inside of this double repo. So as you know, it could be the butterfly, it could be hand shoulders or something of that sort. But all the levels that we right now have on the table mostly agrees in one area. So that's approximately 1290, 113 even. So we have the XOP, we have first level 1283, we have daily overbought 1287. So all levels stands approximately in the same area, and it means that more probable that major retracement will start somewhere from this level. So some reaction, at least based on the technical analysis, should follow on this setup. On the hourly chart, take a look. That was our yesterday retracement. Here actually we've got minor hand shoulders patching. So AB equals CD has been completed. Then Jerome Powell has started to talk. That was a bit volatility around it, and market then turns up again. Also, it could be treated as regardless to buy pattern here. Now we're taking a look at the targets that we have on the table right now. To complete 1290 area, market has to form some upward continuation, and most probable that will be some butterfly at 1290, maybe slightly higher, maybe 1618. Target will be hit. That in turn could give us another hand shoulders pattern with larger scale. So it could become left shoulder of the head of the pattern. This is the head, and then market could form right shoulder. In this case, if this part of the pattern will take the shape of the double repo on the 4-hour time frame chart, well, despite that this difference could be a bit different, difference could be significant, well, we probably could treat it as a double repo lookalike pattern. So anyway, that's all. Everything right now stands around this significant resistance on the daily, and in what particular shape of the price will be formed, what patterns will be formed, that is secondary question. So we just know that around this level where we'll be watching for possible bearish patterns, and as soon as we will get it, it will be more simple to create a trading plan how to trade. So currently I see some patterns that could be formed. This is double repo on the 4-hour time frame chart, and here it could be butterfly and following hand shoulders pattern, something of that kind. That actually our trading plan that stands for today's session. Let's see what we will get.